Besides knowing how to create tickets and track inventory, it's also important to understand how to configure settings in a ticketing system. There are cases where a user will submit multiple tickets, either at the same time or at different times, with a related root cause. For example, we have 2 tickets here that explain that the sender can't open a PDF and their computer is running slow, both submitted by the same user. Janet was kind enough to put the computer's host name, which shows up under the Related tab. The technician went on site and discovered that the reason the computer is running slow is that the hard drive is failing and needs to be replaced. With that information, we can actually relate these 2 tickets. Under the More tab, there's an option to attach a subticket. When the window pops up, you can either enter a ticket number or select one from the list. We're going to select Cannot Open PDF and attach Subticket. Now you can see that it's treed under the parent ticket. In this ticketing system, all subtickets need to be closed first before the parent ticket can be closed out. If you do it in reverse, it will disassociate the ticket from its parent. If you want to create a subticket that doesn't already exist, just make sure you have your parent ticket selected and then click More and Create Subticket. This will walk you through the steps to finish the process. Details can make or break a ticket, like this one here. There might be times where you have to go back and reference a ticket to help with future troubleshooting, and so items like internal notes can be helpful. Let's put an entry in here. We'll write power supply is bad. Need to purchase power supply from vendor. Now let's save it. We want to associate a purchase with this. Under the Purchasing tab and Purchase List, there's an option for New Purchase. The model for the purchased power supply is HX750. But you can see that there's a whole inventory that already exists in Spiceworks. Let's just keep this at HX750. Purchased for will be Jack O'Neill, since that's the user whose desktop won't turn on. OK, click Save. The status tracking is a nice feature because you can track the approval, purchase, and when it was received with these 3 steps. We're just going to select that the purchase was received already. When we click into the purchase, we're able to edit the details. From there, we can associate our part with a ticket, which is number 9. Click Save again. Back on our ticket and under Activity, we can see that there's a purchase item associated with our ticket now. I'm going to go ahead and close this out since our technician has replaced the power supply. In the public notes, let's put Replaced Power Supply in PC and then click the checkbox and save it. The knowledge base can be a useful tool when you're looking for previous issues because there's a good chance that another user experienced the same problems you're troubleshooting. Spiceworks has a built-in knowledge base from other technicians that use the program. Not only can you take advantage of this, but you can also write your own. Articles in My Teams can be used by multiple local users, and mine is just for you to reference. The New Article button gives you the option to create an article yourself. The format you see here gives you a good idea of how the layout will be when writing the article, with steps listed along with attachments or URLs. Again, it's possible to post an article to the Spiceworks public knowledge base or just locally. That's it for this demo. In this demo, we showed you some examples of how to relate tickets. Then we purchased a power supply and looked at creating a knowledge base article.